Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Shop Smart, where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the ELEPHAS 2025 Mini Projector. It's a portable projector that promises to turn your living room into a home theater. Whether you're into movies, gaming, or just want a big screen for your presentations, this projector claims to do it all. But does it live up to the hype? Is it worth your money? That's what we're here to find out. In this video, I'll walk you through everything: the design, image quality, connectivity, and more. So, if you're thinking about buying a projector, or just curious about this one, stick around, because this review has got you covered. Let's start with the design. The ELEPHAS 2025 is compact and portable, so you can easily take it with you wherever you go. It fits perfectly in a backpack, and the build quality feels solid. Definitely not cheap. On the back, you'll find all the ports you need: HDMI, USB AV, and even a headphone jack. This thing is seriously versatile. It also comes with a remote control, which makes navigating the menu super easy. And check this out. It has adjustable feet so you can tilt the projector up or down, depending on where you're projecting. Super handy, right? Now, let's talk about what really matters: image quality. The ELEPHAS 2025 supports up to 1080p resolution, which is great for a projector in this price range. The picture is sharp, the colors are vibrant, and the contrast is well balanced. Of course, in brighter rooms, you'll need to dim the lights for the best experience. But that's pretty standard for portable projectors. One thing that really impressed me is the screen size. It can project up to 200 inches. Now, the bigger the screen, the more the image quality might drop a bit, but up to 120 inches, it still looks fantastic. For movies and TV shows, it's an awesome experience. Another standout feature is the connectivity. This projector has both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can connect it directly to your smartphone, tablet, or even a streaming stick, like a Chromecast or Amazon Fire Stick. This makes it super easy to stream Netflix, YouTube, or mirror your phone's screen. It also has an HDMI port, so you can connect it to your laptop, gaming console, like a PS5 or Xbox, or even a USB drive to play movies directly. Oh, and it has built-in speakers, which are decent for a projector, but if you want a more immersive experience, I'd recommend connecting it to an external speaker. So, is it easy to use? Absolutely. Setting it up is a breeze. Just plug it in. Choose your input source, like HDMI, USB, or Wi-Fi, and adjust the focus, using the manual focus wheel on top. The menu is straightforward, and the remote control makes it even easier to navigate. Another cool feature is Keystone correction, which adjusts the image if the projector isn't perfectly aligned with the screen. This is a lifesaver if you don't want to spend time fine-tuning the angle. Now, let's talk about a few downsides. The brightness is good for darker rooms, but in well-lit spaces, the image can look a bit washed out. Also, while the built-in speakers are okay, they're not amazing. If you want a true home theater experience, I'd suggest using external speakers. And just to be clear, the native resolution isn't 1080p. It upscales to that resolution, so it's not as sharp as a high-end projector. But for the price, it still delivers great value. So, is the ELEPHAS 2025 worth it? In my opinion, yes. It's a portable projector that delivers a lot for the price. The image quality is great, the connectivity options are fantastic, and it's super easy to use. Sure, it's not perfect, but if you're looking for an affordable way to enjoy movies, gaming, or even presentations on a big screen, this is a solid choice. If you're in the market for a versatile, portable projector with great features, the ELEPHAS 2025 might be exactly what you need. Let me know in the comments. Do you already own a projector, or are you thinking about buying one? And if you're interested, the link to check it out is in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to ShopSmart for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.